Have you ever dreamed of bringing the beauty and serenity of a garden right into your home? Imagine a room lush with plants, natural light, earthy textures, and botanical decor, where every corner feels like a calming oasis. Today we're exploring 10 inspiring garden interior room ideas, from living walls and indoor water features to textured planters, botanical wallpaper, vine-wrapped furniture, and natural fiber accents. Whether you want an urban jungle reading nook or a soothing indoor sanctuary, these ideas will help you cultivate your personal retreat. Ready to bring nature indoors and let your space bloom?
Before we dive into today's video, I'd like to welcome you to Decorpediya, your go-to source for home decor inspiration. We bring you creative ideas to transform your space with style and ease, helping you elevate every corner of your home effortlessly. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest decor inspirations. Now, let's get started.
How can a living wall transform an interior room into a lush oasis? A living wall instantly turns any space into a verdant sanctuary. Choose a vertical garden module that mounts to any wall with integrated irrigation. Pick hardy indoor plants like pothos, philodendron, ferns, or peace lilies that thrive in vertical planters. Arrange plantings in alternating foliage textures, trailing vines, feathery ferns, and glossy leaves to paint a living canvas. Complement with ambient LED spotlights or grow light strips to highlight the greenery at night. Use a drip tray or built-in reservoir to protect your floor. The living wall becomes a focal point that improves air quality, adds natural sound dampening, and brings continuous life and color inside all year long. Share this idea if you're ready for an indoor jungle wall. In what ways do botanical prints and wallpaper evoke garden atmosphere? Botanical wallpaper is a fast and dramatic way to evoke garden charm. Choose large-scale tropical prints with palm leaves or subtler floral patterns in muted greens and creams for a fresh, natural backdrop. Apply it to a single accent wall behind a sofa or bed to prevent visual overwhelm. Pair with neutral furnishings, linen armchairs, raw wood tables, to let the botanical visuals pop. A high-gloss finish reflects light, mimicking outdoor shimmer. Frame a few pressed leaves or herbarium prints nearby to reinforce the theme. This wallpaper establishes a verdant, scenic escape, while letting you enjoy nature indoors without maintaining actual plants. How do indoor water features add tranquility and texture? A tabletop fountain or wall-mounted water cascade brings garden ambience through gentle sound and movement. Place a stone or terracotta fountain on a sturdy console or shelf near seating zones to fill the room with soft trickling water. Complement with natural pebbles and live moss around the base for texture and visual depth. Set the fountain against a plant grouping to create a micro-garden corner. Add an essential oil diffuser with earthy scents like cedar or eucalyptus for a multi-sensory experience. The flowing water not only calms nerves and reduces noise echoes, but also increases humidity to benefit nearby plants. Why is layering potted plants around furniture effective? Grouping plants of varied size, height, and leaf shape around furniture feels organic and immersive. Use tall specimens like fiddle leaf figs or rubber trees beside sofas, medium plants like snake plants on end tables, and low growers like ferns or succulents on shelves. Combine ceramic planters with woven baskets and metal pots to create layered texture. Add trailing vines from hanging planters above seating areas for canopy effect. Kick off with self-watering trays to manage care easily. This plant layering approach creates pockets of greenery that feel curated yet natural, as if you stepped into an indoor garden lounge. Subscribe if you're ready to plant the indoors. How can natural fiber textiles enhance your garden room? Incorporating jute rugs, rattan furniture, linen cushions, and sisal lampshades brings botanical warmth. A jute area rug under the coffee table grounds the space with earthen texture. A rattan armchair beside a plant-filled corner creates a relaxed, organic seating spot. Linen throw pillows embroidered with leaf motifs echo the greenery. Use macrame plant hangers overhead with trailing potters to weave fiber and foliage together. These natural materials soften the space and complement the vibrant greens, reinforcing the garden interior theme in a subtle and sustained way. By weaving in vertical gardens, botanical prints, water features, layered plantings, natural fibers, greenhouse elements, sculptural foliage, vine-wrapped furniture, terracotta accents, and botanical accessories, you can effortlessly transform any room into a garden interior retreat. Start with 1 or 2 elements, and watch your space bloom into a sanctuary that looks beautiful, feels peaceful, and nurtures your connection with nature. This is your urban refuge. Verdant, alive, and all within your 4 walls.